Hello! In this lesson, we'll learn which are the basic elements we need when designing our rock band. First of all, there are many different music genres, so we'll find a lot of looks and possibilities when designing. This example here is the band Imagine Dragons, an indie rock band. This other example is the band Queen. As you see, rock throughout history has developed several ramifications and a lot of different styles which will inspire you when creating your own band. At a physical, musical, and compositional level, rock bands are composed of many different elements. For this, we'll have to limit what are those basic elements when creating our own members. In our case, we'll create a 3-member band, like in the example you're seeing right now, which is Green Day. Basically, in order to create a band, we need at least 3 members so all the music sounds good. Though there are exceptions and some bands use other kind of instruments, in a rock band we'll generally have a singer, a guitar player, bass player, and a drummer. Of course, we can find many more instruments, like for example, more guitars, a piano, saxophone, trumpet, violins. Though we can find more instruments, for a rock band we'll use 3. That is, a singer and guitar player, a bass player, and a drummer. With these 3 elements, we can create a basic rock band. In order for you to get an example of illustrated rock bands, in this case we have Gorillaz. Gorillaz is a real rock band in which the members are characters which are animated in their music videos. Though the members are actually humans that play that music, the members we recognize and who are famous are these animated characters. All of these can be a reference for you when looking for inspiration for creating your characters. In our case, we'll go one step further to the Christmas villains to get to blend in Antichristmas characters inside a rock band. Great! Now you have a basic notion of what we need in order to create our rock band. Now we'll see examples of bands with 3 members so you can really inspire on those bands and do a little research on them. See you in the next video.